Friday. Okay. New machine setup. So I'm tired of using Windows to do all of the to remoting into a server. I'd rather have a dedicated machine for development. So I have one here, and we're gonna set it up today. So this should be fun. This is gonna be a lot of watching progress bars and just hanging out. So um, yeah, we'll get to all of this here. Yeah. So we're just gonna be installing Ubuntu to start. Extended selection. Just the essentials, please. Yes, I would like hardware support. And I don't mind proprietary things. Okay. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Advanced features. Yeah, we don't need logical volume manager or anything like that. Oh, what do we name it? What do we name it? What do we name it? Looks like dev one. Oh, no. This is my name. It's like dev one. Need to move my mouse so I don't use that mouse. Password. Why is it not? I don't mind a weak password. I do not have an Active Directory server. Yes, I am in Pacific. Erase disk. Install on NVMe 1. Yes. Alright, so this box should be a lot faster than the server I use normally. That server is old and it's great for serving up Plex and stuff, but when you want like your LSP to be super fast, it's not the box. It has tons of RAM, but the disk speed is slow because it's a bunch of spinning disks. So yeah. But yeah, this is what Twitter wanted. They wanted to go with Ubuntu, so we're going Ubuntu. And I'm hoping the installation process doesn't take too long, because we're on NVMe. Like, I mean, it shouldn't take long at all, really. So. Now we're gonna swap this entire GUI for some i3 here. Then we gotta make sure audio works. We gotta get a browser. Well, I guess Firefox is already installed, so we don't have to get a browser, but we have to sign in to said browser. We gotta get neovim set up. So we got quite a bit to do here, actually. So. I mean, I do have to say, Arch would probably be done by now. It's pretty fast. There's like nothing to install with Arch. So, but Ubuntu's nice. Ubuntu, I should get all the drivers and stuff right out of the gate. So, like my graphics drivers. So that should be nice. Oh no. Generating locales. That always takes a fair bit of time. So what do you got? I haven't poked around the new dark style. Yeah. Okay, I like that. I'm not going to be using any of this UI other than maybe the settings menu once in a while, but adjust for TV. I don't know what that does. Network is first. Oh no, you can see my IP address. Oh no, you can see my Bluetooth devices. Okay. Nightlight. This all looks almost exactly the same. Okay, let's see if audio works. Oh, I don't have the capture card set up to do audio. We need to do that. Yeah. We need to set an audio source for the capture card. HDMI cap. Ooh, okay. Navi. GPU. We're gonna have to figure this out. Oh, wow. We're done. We're ready to go. Yes, please. Let's restart now. We'll figure out sound in a minute, in a bit. Because we're gonna wanna we're gonna wanna react to some YouTube videos once in a while, I'm sure. So oh, remove the install media. Got it. And press enter. I don't know how to make YouTube's bitrate better. Like they say like always that the bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate, but I don't know how, like I feel like that's something that I should be able to increase from my side because I'm not using hardly any of my bandwidth. It's saying I'm using 2 megabits. I've got like a full 100 megabit up, so that shouldn't be an issue. Wow, it's 4K. Holy crap. Okay. So first things first, we need to change this to 1080p stat because it is way too big. Unless, actually, if we change this to 400% DPI scaling, holy crap. Okay, that's too much. It's too much, too much, too much. That's also a lot. I think it's just easier for us to say, yeah, 200%. So that should be the sharpest possible. Although, I think I'm capturing, I don't think I'm capturing at 4K. I think I'm capturing at 1080p, so. But anyway, refresh rate 30 hertz. No. That will not do. Keep changes. Yeah, there we go. Cool. All right. Sound is supposed to come out of there. Is it coming out of there? I don't hear it. Oh. Why? Advanced audio properties. HDMI cap. Mono. Monitor off. I don't get a balance. Get all the tracks. Status is active. Hmm. I see it. I see it on there. No. Yeah. We'll figure that out in a minute, I think. Um okay. So we'll go through the wizard. We don't need Ubuntu Pro. No, don't send data. Next. Finish. Okay. So we have Firefox. What else do they have installed by default? Software updater, clocks, firmware update, additional drivers. We might want to stop here real quick. Make sure. Oh, that's right. The AMD driver isn't proprietary. So I don't think it'll show up here. But firmware. Needs reboot after installation. Firmware updater? Oh, there is no button to actually perform the update. That's cool, I guess. Okay. So next we need we need a lot of stuff actually. But we're gonna start with the terminal. So sudo. Do I have git by default? I don't remember. I didn't want that username, and I probably totally had it. Oh, that sucks. I don't want that username. Okay, we'll have to figure that out, I guess. Okay, gets installed. Okay. Yeah, actually, does Ubuntu super easy settings make that easy for me? Do they have users? Language unlock. Nope. Okay. Oh well, worth a shot, I guess. So now, what do we want to do first? I think we want to start getting i3 set up first. So let's go. Pretty sure. Or do we want to go? I think we might want to go Sway for this machine. I don't have any requirement on hard requirement on i3. Sway window manager. Oh, it's a compositor too. Okay. Ooh. Good thing I don't have an NVIDIA graphics card. Nice. Um. Okay. Well, let's see. Sudo apt install Sway. Yeah. Okay, it installed. Placement. Okay, let's set this side by side here while we get this set up. So we need... I don't think I use... I don't remember if I use sway bar. Yeah, let's use sway bar. So sway message, sway lock, sway... I don't think I need a nag bar. But I still want a lock screen. So sway lock is fine. Okay. Sway does not support X logical font. XLFD configuration strings. Does it use Pango? Pango list. grep font name. Confirm the correct font name. Pango as a version 1.44. Does not support older bitmap fonts, though it does support bitmap only OTF fonts. Okay. X backlight brightness CTL will need. No, I guess we don't need that. SWW, which supports animated wallpapers. What? X Banish, X Clip, WL Clipboard, Wayclip, X Rander, WL Rander. I wonder if there's an A Rander. Is there an A Rander for this? Okay. Oh. Waynergy? Does this support Synergy 3? Ooh, if it does, I'm gonna use this. That's cool. D menu. B menu. See, use the same. Use B menu run. Okay, let's just use this. Sudo apt install W menu. Oh, it was already there. Okay, cool. Okay. So now we need to let's go use Nautilus here. Let's what's the IP? 199. Log in anyway. There we go. Alrighty. Config. We need to show hidden files here. How do I set that? Preferences. Oh, there it was. Saw it. I saw it. Show hidden files. All right, so we need to go to the config folder. Cache.config, and there should be i3 in here. Okay, so we will want to copy these, and we're going to drop them right in the i3 folder here. Where's the new tab button? Is that over here too now? New tab. Okay, whatever. Folder i3. Paste. Alrighty. Yeah, I like that lock screen. Okay, so we have that now. It also occurs to me that we need an editor if we're going to be editing config files. Do I have to? Pretty sure. Yeah, I don't want an app image. Pretty sure neovim has Linux. Oh, no, no, no. I don't want the tar. Yeah, neovim. So let's see. Sudo apt install neovim nightly. Ubuntu package. Ah! I died. Hey. Hey. I just saw your chat here. I should really pop out this YouTube chat closer so I can pay more attention to it. Cause you're always here. How's it going? Yes, I plan on replacing gnome entirely here. So yeah, we're gonna use i3. Well, I'm gonna give Sway a try here once I get neovim installed. I want the nightly though, and I swear I had a good way of like I had a Ubuntu package. Maybe it's sudo apt search neovim. Is that it? Neovim runtime neovim qt. No. So You know what? Oh, it's neovim 9. I want 11. This must be what I used last time. They didn't change the name though. But this is what I want, so we're gonna use this. Whoa. What? Launchpad.net won't let me copy and paste. So now when I do sudo there we go. There's neovim 10. Okay, so now so now git clone. Okay. We need to go get my github.com. I don't know by heart right now. Oh, Vimium's not installed either. We'll have to fix that. Repositories, nvim config. Okay. It's working. Sort of. Yeah, we'll have to diagnose all this when we get there. But for now, first help deprecated, lazy, nvim. Huh. Yeah, we'll have to figure all this out. Yeah, tree sitter's not happy, I don't think. But we don't need tree sitter to edit config files, so yeah. So i3 migration guide. So back here. So now that we've got a half functioning editor, here are the common ones. Sway handles quotes slightly differently. Commands are handled more like shell commands. Floating modifier, sway handles things like output. Sway handles your wallpaper, handles input configuration, documented through the man pages rather than the website. So where's the config sway? Okay. So we have to copy i3. You're welcome. I do not have a LinkedIn. I have never created a LinkedIn, so but yeah. Yeah, that's my GitHub profile. So I don't have a lot here. And a lot of it's really old. So just keep that in mind. But my blogs run out of there, and some of the other stuff in here is like just barely started. So just know, be forewarned, it's nothing special. So CPI3 to sway. Oh, yes. Um, dash R. There we go. Okay. So let's just for fun here, let's log out and let's try it without any configuration changes. Let's see what it does. Log out. Me settings sway. Oh, it's tiny. There are errors in your config file. Cool. Can you tell me what toggle details? Da, da, da. I need a terminal. I don't even have that much. Okay, so we gotta go back. I can't even get a terminal there. So. Oh no. Duh. Okay. Where? Okay, so we need our terminal back. Please open that there. Then we need sway ducks wiki. So what were we doing here? So yes. Okay. So set mod. Ooh, tongue font for use for tiling window managers. Okay, so I think that's fine. XGG auto start desktop files using Dex. Okay, we'll leave that. Because I don't know what it's doing. Okay, so we need, yeah. No fork, config, sway, lock screen.png. Okay. Network manager, nm applet. So A3 status was one we. So I 23 status still works, I guess. Okay. I don't need any of this. I don't need this either. This is a desktop. Sure, we'll leave media player controls. Power controls. Mod to drag floating windows. Okay, okay. Tiling, drag. Start terminal. I don't have Kitty installed, so that would be a problem for that. So let's go Kitty. Is no. Copy that. There's nothing in this Ubuntu install. There's no curl. That's crazy. So we want all this. Can't type that symbol. No file. Should I just do it the easy way? I think I should just do it the easy way. Yep. Cool. But anyway, cool. So there's Kitty, there's kill. So this is D menu. D menu. We replace D menu. Yes, I can volume up my microphone a little bit. Sorry about that. Is that too much? Is that okay? Also get a little closer to the mic. Can you hear that? Does this sound all right? Perfect. So we're using W menu. Yeah, no problem. Thanks for letting me know, because I wouldn't know otherwise. So, is it W menu run? I would think so. Yeah, it's W menu run. Okay. Cool. Cool. That's easy. Yeah, and we want all that to stay the same. All that stays the same as well. I don't want that. Don't need that. Don't want that. Don't need this. Bar i3 status. It said i3 status might. I think I said it would still work. So I don't remember what is nitrogen. Where was that? Oh, it's background. Okay, so let's disable that. Let's delete that for now. Okay, now let's go and let's log off. Let's try to do this again. So yes. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I keep forgetting to switch. There are errors in your config file. Really? Whoa. No. Okay. I'm never going to read this. Actually, maybe I can. I can maximize this. Line 55, bind drag modifier tile bar. Expects one argument, got two. Okay. Well. Line 55. Okay. But does this work? Or... Nope. None of that works yet. Okay. So we gotta exit sway and go back. It's the fun part about getting a new window manager. Did it again. Did it again. The Windows key doesn't work? I thought the Windows key worked. Huh. Okay. Just go in here. Ooh. Hey, the font in here already, it's not a nerd font, but it already looks better. The default kitty font looks better. So we want to say 55. Tiling drag modifier title bar. So what we'll do, we'll just comment this out. And yeah. See what it gets angry about next. I will say it looks. Ooh, yeah. Starting to wonder if the Windows key doesn't work for some reason. Because I'm saying Windows D, mod D, and it's not doing anything, and mod enter isn't doing anything either. I can't read any of that. Let me make it bigger for a second. Unknown command. Yeah, I can't do anything. I can't even exit now. Oh man. Uh-oh. What was my... Oh boy. What is my... I got another computer over here. I gotta look at the config. Mod Shift E. Mod Shift E. Okay. So Mod Shift E should exit i3. Nope. Nope. I'm stuck. Oh, why does the modifier key not work? Please use user guide for complete reference. Okay, we gotta reboot. That sucks. Boot's quick at least. We want regular Ubuntu for now. So here's the question. Does the Windows key even work right now for some reason? Because when I press it here, nothing happens, and the super key should work. It should be matched to super key keyboard. So it's registering that I've hit the Windows key. Are the left and the right Windows keys different mods in here? Sway. Actually, i3 mod keys. mod. Sway. So sway. Super key not working. Dumb questions for the internet. So I should just be able to call it super? But why can I not use... function super? No. Super A? What? Super is defined to show you... Weird. I think it's because it's the left. I think it's because it's a kinesis, and so actually there's a quick way to test this. So if I swap over to using this, yeah, it's because of how the kinesis maps it. Yeah, they map it as a left or a right control or a right Windows button. Ubuntu doesn't see that. So do we remap the kinesis to be a left Windows? Let me see. It's part of the base layout. Mod keys. 8 modifier bits, mod 1 5. Alt sometimes. Left and right. Windows keys both mod 4. So mod 3 is the WLR modifier logo. Modifier 3, modifier logo. I'm just going to try super. Let's see if super works. Let's see if super works. Or mod 3. But we're going to try super. We're going to try super. Log out. Log out. Errors in the config file. I really should, that should be the next thing on the list, is changing the scaling of this. Line 32, bind sim, lock screen session. Okay. Maybe I should just temporarily set it to alt. Yeah, first things first. Let's... Oh, I can't get out again. I'm stuck. Again. What's tmux? So tmux is a type of it's a terminal multiplexer. So what it does is it lets you run multiple like tabs, multiple sessions, and then tabs within those sessions in the same terminal window. It's super useful. Oh, and it lets you do like splits in your terminal to have like multiple applications side by side, and it lets you split or switch between all those things with a keyboard. So it's super nice and super helpful when your editor and everything else is just all in the terminal. So that's what tmux is. Which I was planning on configuring tonight, but at this rate, we're just gonna get a window manager up tonight. So, but we'll see. Let's see, sway set scaling. Way. Sway message, get outputs. We combine output commands into one. 1080p, BG wallpaper, stretch. Okay. Okay. Should be perfect. Yeah, I guess. Config. We'll just set it to lock screen PNG. So that should set that, and then mod super. So it was mod 4. Let's try mod 4. Okay, changing two things at once, doing the bad thing. You're never supposed to change two things at once. And, good thing where's my selector? It wasn't there a second ago. That was weird. Ooh, okay. Okay, we got scaling right now. Mod keys still messed up. Making progress. Making good progress. We're getting there slowly. Still don't have a... I still don't have a good way to recover from that. If the mod key would work, I have a key mapping set up to reload the whole thing. So, yeah. Alrighty. Meet kitty. Kitty is so fast. It just feels really nice to use. Okay, so what are the mod keys? What is the mod key? Shift, caps lock. Mod 4, super L, super right, super L, hyper L. So, if that's the case... Wait. If that's the case... Why Why? So mod 4 should do it all. Mod 4 should do everything. Mod 3 does nothing. Yeah, mod 4 is what I'm using on the other computer. Yeah, maybe we'll try mod 1 just to get past this. We'll use alt, the left alt. I don't use the left alt all that much anyway. So, ads. No, I don't want ads. Don't give me ads. No. Log off. Log out. Try this again. Okay. None of the mod keys work. Win A. So if I go back to my regular keyboard and I say Alt D or Alt Enter, nothing. Huh. Okay. We're gonna say mod. We're gonna set it back to mod 4 and try to use the other keyboard. See if it's a problem with the kinesis specifically. So. So happy this reboots so fast. It's so nice. Actually, I don't even need Firefox. I don't know what I'm doing. Config. Okay. Okay. So we need to try the other keyboard. You just double check that I didn't have this keyboard on the wrong setting here. Oh, I did. Oh, it's set off. Yeah, it works there. But when we set it up with this, keyboard boots up. Weird. Super weird. Nothing happens when I press the keys. What did I just do? Oh, I did something. I did something. I put it in like resize mode. Maybe I need to revisit that terminal and then set that so that it's set to kitty. I think that's what I want to do. Set to the global kitty, not the locally installed one. I don't know why the screen turns green sometimes. It goes away after it boots, but I don't get it. Okay. Alrighty. Get back to Ubuntu. Okay, mod for okay. Mod return should open kitty. Okay. Oh. Just dropped some batteries off my desk. Oh well. But I really want to get on this sway thing. Like I want to get sway working well. So win enter. Mod does work. Okay. Sudo apt install. W menu. W menu. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. So the mod key does work. Then, it's purely a problem with the pathing, which is good news. So that means I can do this. Oof. Okay. So you don't have to set up all the keys for the kinesis. So there is a default key map preset. So you don't have to like start from scratch or anything. I did remap a few things. I swapped a couple of things around just because it was easier for me to hit certain key combinations that way, but there is a default, and it's a decent default. So what was my reload? Mod shift C. So is a mod shift C. We reload. Cool. And then mod shift R. Let's restart. So mod shift C. So what we can do, so we need to figure out um uh did Firefox didn't start. Functionality is provided by GTK natively. Please try not to load it. There we go. There we go. Okay. So let's shift this to the second layout. No, I want to win shift 2. There we go. So we want to say so W menu. I need Vimium. I need to sign in here. All right, I gotta blank this for a second so that I don't dox myself. Yeah, the keyboard's not hooked up. Okay. It's the standard password. Oh, it's usually be right back. I just wanted to blank it out so I don't dox myself. Ah, oh, they sent me a code. I gotta go to my email. Yeah, usually I use the screen when I'm like have to step away for a minute. So Mozilla. Come on. Hurry up. I swear Gmail is so slow now. It used to be way faster. Come on. There you go. So, sweet. Okay. So now I can unblank this so you can see. Okay. Now all of my we've got Dark Reader, we got Bitwarden, we got all sorts of stuff. Okay. Cool. There we go. Vimium works now. Okay. Set menu, W menu run, mod exec menu. Okay. So Ubuntu W menu. What is this? This is what I want. Why is it not working? So that's an L file. See what I don't understand. So you're supposed to be W menu run, and that command's not found. So where is it? Efficient dynamic menu based on the Wayland compositor. W menu run. Ninja install. Wonder if we should use something different. Wonder if we should try something different. That might just be easiest. Sway D menu. D menu works. Oh, but they run under X Wayland. Oh. Oh, they've got... Okay, I might set up HDPI later. Input configuration. Yeah, okay. i3 migration guide. So W menu doesn't work. BE menu. Okay. Okay. So now what? Use BE menu run. So what happens if I paste this into my terminal? Ooh. Yeah, that works. That works, that works, that works. Um mm, let's write that. Mod Shift C. And then I can do mod D. Hey, now we're getting somewhere. Sweet. Awesome. Firefox is a little slow to start. We're gonna actually, I'm gonna exit Firefox here, and we're going to close this. Wow, that's slow. Let's see, Firefox. Waiting, waiting, still waiting. Someday, any day now. Is it running? Oh, it is. It is. It's just that slow. Oh, that's so bad. That's forever. Why? Why does that take so long? Pin dark reader here. We also need to go into settings here, and we need to set them appearance to dark. Why is the rest of Firefox? We just need to go get a dark theme. Oh, it's got one already. Enable. Sweet. Cool. Alrighty. Now what? So we've got Firefox, we've got the menu started, we've got neovim started. Now we need to set up Kitty's config. So in order to do that, why is stuff so slow to start? That's weird. Some things are slow to start. Like Kitty fired right up and worked great. But Nautilus and Firefox are both taking their time. Did Nautilus even start? So what we're gonna do actually. Yeah, Nautilus started. It's just slow. Weird. Is there dark mode in here? Nope. Okay. So now we need to go to... Not here. Yeah, there. We want to go to there. So dot config. Kitty should be in here. C D E F G. Kitty. Yeah. So we're just gonna copy that. Rename this. It's just Kitty. Okay. So now no tmux. It's another config we're gonna need. Is the tmux config. Yeah, let's do that real quick since we got this open here. Dot tmux. Next. Tmux conf. Paste. There we go. Okay. So we want to there's nothing here? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Kitty. Folder is empty. It didn't copy everything. Hey. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. There we go. There's the wallpapers. Cool. We are up and running. So we've got tmux configured. We've got neovim half installed. We've got sway mostly working, I would say. We've got some things to figure out, like the status bar is obviously dead and not working very well, so that does suck. But we've made some good progress here. I think I can you show me a tmux example? Yeah. So this window over here. So what you do? Say say you want to you're in a terminal and you want tmux. So you just type tmux once you have it installed. And so this opens, so you can see down here there's and let me here I will maybe I'll zoom in. There we go. There you go. Now you can see that. Okay. So you're in tmux, right? And this is just a terminal, right? So you just you can navigate around. So say you're in your neovim config, right? And so say you're in here and you're in neovim editing your neovim config. But say, actually, so we'll, oh my gosh, so many errors. We've got to fix all this. Okay, let's start over. You're in tmux, right? So you're in here and you're editing something in here. So say you're editing this file for some reason, right? Okay. So say, oh shoot, okay, I'm editing. All of a sudden I need to edit like I need to have another terminal because I need to run this. So I need another tab essentially down here. So what you can do is you can hit your modifier key in tmux. So Control B is the default. So you say Control B and then C, and you can see down there at the bottom here where I have neovim and I have 0 and bash 1. So what I can do then is I can go hit the Control B and say 0, it'll take me to that tab, and I can say Control B and 1 and it'll take me to that tab. So I can do whatever I want over here. And I can then just easily switch between the two. So it's really nice for that workflow. What you can also do is, so say you want to leave something running in the background. So this terminal session, I want to leave it. I want to go run something in the background. So I can just say Control D or Control B and then D, and it's detached. So when I come in here and I go tmux ls, I have a window here where session 0, right? And if I want to connect back up to it, I can say tmux, and that actually, what I just did, opened a new window, right? So if I were to detach from this one, we'd have tmux space ls, and we have 2. So what we can do is we can connect to each one. So we can say tmux attach -t, and then we can say 0, and then we're back to our neovim one. And this works even if you log out of the machine. So say you're on a server and you want to run a process in the background just while you're working, and your SSH connection can drop and you want your application to stay running, tmux will keep it running there for you. It's super helpful, super nice. And then so this is session 0. Session 1, you can actually switch between these sessions. So what I can do is I can say Control B and then use the parentheses keys, and I can actually switch between them and back and forth and cycle through them. So it's a super nice thing to have. both on servers and on your local machine. Like when you're SSHing into a box, like you kind of wonder sometimes, like how do people like actually use this as a dev environment? How do they like open multiple SSH connections? No, they use something like tmux to multiplex the terminal. So that's tmux in a nutshell. So, but yeah, so I think I'm gonna head out. I got work in the morning, so we made some good progress here. We're gonna need to install the development environment. We're gonna need to fix neovim. So there's more to come. Yeah, exactly. You don't need to open multiple terminals anymore. You can just use the same. You can use the same setup. So yeah. Well, good night, guys. Thank you for hanging around. I appreciate it. Normally these are on Monday nights at around 8 p.m. So we will see you guys. Thank you very much for the follow. Appreciate it. All right. We will see y'all next week. Bye.